Today, our topic is about harmonic sequence and harmonic means. By the way, I am Andre and my friend Prince
Hi.
and also Gian Dahan. What is the harmonic sequence, Prince?
Is a sequence of numbers wherein the reciprocal of the terms form an arithmetic sequence.
The formula for the harmonic sequence is a sub n is equal to 1 over the a sub 1 plus parenthesis n minus 1 close parenthesis and times d. Now, you know the formula, right? As you can see, Mr. Gian gave us a given and we're going to answer it. One symbolizes the first term, which is 1/6, right?
Yes.
And symbolizes the number of terms including the missing one.
That's correct.
And the last one is D, which symbolizes the difference. To find the D, you need to subtract the two consecutive terms. Let's try it. Let's write 113 minus 1 over 6. Just disregard the numerator. Subtract the 2 and the D is the 7. A sub 5 equals 6 plus to the quantity of 5 minus 1 times D. Then, A sub 5 equals 6 plus to the quantity of 4 times 7. And then, A sub 5 equals 6 plus 28. Then, our answer is 34. Now, we should just add 1 to the numerator. Then, that is the answer. You know what is harmonic sequence. Now, let's move on to the harmonic means.
Yes.
We learned that the harmonic sequence and harmonic means have a lot of differences. To summarize it all, we need to remember all of the formula we used, such as n equals to a sub 1 plus the difference of n minus 1 multiplied by d. The formula is the same to harmonic means and arithmetic sequence. That's all. Thanks for watching, everyone.